So we all know that the holidays can be a stressful time, right? So we had an emergency at our house. We had just moved into our new place. The main water main busted on us, completely underground, unexpected. It was very stressful with having family come over and trying to figure out what we were gonna do, because you can't do much when you don't have water. And we contacted Jay, and really immediately, within the first 5 minutes of me messaging him, he had me on the phone and was walking me through measures to take to handle my situation. The next day, we had Jay and his team out there, and they were replacing our line and getting it all taken care of, and we were back up and running. I would definitely recommend the cooling and plumbing company to others, and I already have. I like to spread the word of businesses and keep the contact information in my phone, and just keep my friends and family aware of who I used and when I used them. Jay and the cooling and plumbing company have been incredible, and I would absolutely recommend them.